Hello, today we're going to look at power, energy and time. So when we use the words power or powerful, what do we mean? So press pause, have a think and press play when you're ready. So the word power is how much energy that gets transferred every single second. And electrical appliances all have their power rating displayed on them. So for example, this hairdryer has a power rating of 2100 watts. So that means that every single second it transfers 2100 joules of energy. So if the hairdryer is on for 30 minutes, we need to convert that into seconds. So because there is 60 seconds in 1 minute, we need to do 60 multiplied by the 30. And using a calculator, we can get the answer of 1800 seconds. So we can now calculate how much energy is transferred because we've now converted all of our units. So by multiplying the two together, 2100 times 1800, we can get our answer of 3.78 million joules. So if we wanted to write this out as an equation, we can now say energy equals power times time, where power is measured in watts, energy in joules, and time in seconds. However, it's worth noting that we've seen another equation to do with energy before, not just this one. We have also looked at energy equals charge multiplied by potential difference, or PD for short, where energy is still in joules, charge in coulombs, and potential difference in volts. Occasionally, for higher level questions, you'll need to use both of these equations and put them equal to each other. Let's just take a look at an example to do with power, energy and time. So calculate the energy transferred to a bulb if it has a power rating of 60 watts and is switched on for 8 hours. So as part of our strategy, we always box and underline. So I've boxed energy because that's what we need to calculate. I've underlined power and 60 watts. And I've made a little note that 8 hours is actually a measurement of time. So I'm now going to write out the values. Now I don't know energy, so I'm going to leave that as E. The power is 60 watts and the time is 8 hours. Next, let's check if we need to convert anything from example minutes to seconds, and we do. We've got 8 hours. So there's 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. So that's 60 times 60 multiplied by 8 because there's 8 hours, and that gives 28,800 seconds. We now need to choose an equation, so we need an equation that links energy, power and time. So energy equals power times time. So directly underneath, I'm going to write 60 under power and our 28,800 under time. In this example, because we're trying to find energy and the equation is energy equals, we don't need to rearrange for this value, so we can leave it as it is. So by multiplying those numbers together using a calculator, it's 1,728,000, and of course the unit is in joules. Thank you for watching, I hope you found it useful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.